Adolescence or teenage? Well, it's not an easy phase of your life as one has to deal with so many new changes in life, such as peer pressure, academics, surging hormones, and so on. As the age count increases, one enters into adolescent phase of their lives. They face several changes in the body growth, voice, emotion, thinking, and development of hair growth in the secondary areas. When one enters into teenage, he or she also observes many changes in skin, and this mostly occurs due to change in body hormone levels. This can become a matter of concern and worry for many teenagers, especially in today's era where mostly social media determines the beauty standards. Exposure to world is good, but especially in teenagers it can be overwhelming and daunting if the right guidance is not provided to these kids. If you are a teenager watching this video or a parent of a teenage kid, fret not. Dermatologists like me can suggest ways to prevent and treat skin concerns, and as well as guide the teenagers about what beauty standards they should actually look up to. Indulging in a proper skincare can be the first step in the journey of a teenager towards having a flawless, ever glowing, and healthy skin. Hello, all beautiful teenagers. I am Dr. Keerthana Kalva, a dermatologist practicing at Inform Clinic, Hyderabad, and today in this video, I am going to share top 10 skincare tips to maintain a flawless and a glow which you can get for your sensitive teenage skin. It is almost impossible for teenagers to get through this stage of life without a myriad of stressful skin complaints. But you should know that these skin problems can easily be handled with timely medical treatment. The skin concern that most teenagers express that includes acne, oily skin, blackheads, whiteheads, sun damage, eczema, warts, excessive sweating, unwanted body facial hair. So without further ado, let's begin understanding your skin. Now there are series of skin transformations you teenagers see in your body, such as when your body hits adolescence, you may experience structural and hormonal changes. Now what are these structural changes? Generally, a teenage skin becomes tough and resilient with more production of collagen. And as a teenager's years begin, the frequency of your renewal of your skin becomes, it goes down. And this sometimes causes breakouts. And hormonal changes is something which you notice based on your hormonal surge. There will be a fluctuation in your skin, there will be fluctuation in your oil production, your sebum production, and because of this, there will be a lot of bacteria, dirt accumulation, which again leads to your acne breakouts. Now, what are the important skin care tricks which are essential, which will help you in maintaining your regimen to take care of your skin and to prevent premature aging and to maintain more flawless skin? Effective daily skincare is easy to implement. You need to know few tricks which will help avoiding your worsening your skin problem, and that will help in understanding your skin type. So accordingly, you can choose a skin routine and a right technique as well. Now, peer pressure and influence from outside world is a real thing, but I must tell you that if you see your skin and your friend's skin, and even though both of you are going through puberty together, the look and feel of your skin might be totally different from your friend's. So this means that the skincare tip which works for your friend may not work for you. And fortunately, by knowing your skin type, you can easily find the right skin advice that would suit you and that would also help in taking care of your skin better. Now coming to skin types, there are basically 4 skin types. One is a normal skin, the other one is oily skin, dry skin, and combination. Now what is a normal skin? A normal skin it has good tone and it possesses good amount of sebum production, and there is no prominence of open pores. Now dry skin. Dry skin is very dull, it's parched and is slightly dehydrated and commonly seen in people with atopic conditions. Coming to oily skin, the skin looks very oily and the pores are more prominent. This happens because of excess sebum production. And combination skin, it is something where you have a mixture of both oily and dry skin, and these people usually say they have dry areas over the cheeks and it's commonly oily in the forehead and the T-zone, which you call nose and chin. Now let us discuss about top 10 skincare tips for teens. First thing, carefully choose your skincare products. The skincare products which are recommended to teenagers usually have a gentle cleansers and a moisturizer and a good broad spectrum sunscreen. When it comes to choosing a product, what you should keep in mind. First is your skin type. Based on your skin type, you need to select a product. Let's say if you have an oily skin, your product should have salicylic acid, and if you have a dry skin, it should have a non-soapy formula, something gel-based, and your moisturizer should be like oil in water kind of moisturizers, especially for oily skin. And for oily skin again, go for gel-based or a serum-based. And if you have a very sensitive skin, which is more allergic prone, make sure when you buy a product, you look into what the ingredients are, and before putting it on your face, make sure you test it on your forearm skin or on your lips. And if everything is good, you can start from there. Find the right skin product. Now, point number 2, that is moisturizing your skin, which is very essential, and you need to moisturize your skin from head to toe. Now, what kind of moisturizer you choose is also very important for your face. If you got an oily skin, make sure you don't use heavy, greasy moisturizers. Make sure you stick to serum based. And if you have a dry skin, make sure you do use moisturizers which help in acting as a sealant. They should not just be just as a sealant. They should also make sure they hydrate your skin. So make sure you use a moisturizer based on your skin type. Point number 3 is exfoliation. You got to exfoliate your skin at least once a week. So make sure you don't use very harsh scrubs, and a gentle exfoliator is a must. And seek your dermatologist, take their guidance, which will help you in selecting what kind of exfoliation is best. She would advise you based on your skin type. Point number 4, choosing a healthier lifestyle. Now, first thing is water therapy. Make sure you drink plenty of water. It helps in detoxifying your body. It keeps your gut clean, and a clean gut actually reflects on skin. So make sure you drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every day. Eating a balanced diet. Exclude food which are rich in sugars, which are rich in preservatives and trans fatty acids. And also make sure you exercise regularly. If you cannot exercise, at least be physically active. Make sure your skin stays hydrated. Make sure you actively move around. Keep stretching your body throughout the day. Don't just sit at one place and stick to your laptops or your gadgets. Next thing, make sure you get enough sleep, because most of the skin rejuvenation takes place when you sleep. Avoid unnecessary stress. Manage your time properly. Don't take up multiple tasks, and organize your work so that you're not too stressed. Point number 5 is protecting your skin. If you got an oily skin, make sure you use a water-based sunscreen, and if you got a dry skin, make sure you use gel-based or a lotion-based sunscreen. Because wearing a sunscreen daily, it can help prevent sun damage, tanning, sunburn, excessive skin dehydration, and premature skin aging. So, sunscreen is a must. Point number 6, always wipe out your makeup before going to bed. Nowadays, teenagers are using makeup to enhance their looks, both boys and girls. It's good to be aware, and it's good you do what makes you feel happy. But at the end of the day, you need to make sure you remove your makeup, wipe it off with a gentle cleanser. Otherwise, all these leftover products, they can result in bacterial growth. They can result in clogging your pores, acne breakouts, and then that leads to infection. Point number 7, avoid frequently touching your face, especially stop doing this. If you feel the need to touch your face, it can be like this, but never do this. And too much touching of your face can give you more acne breakouts. And point number 8, take care of your lips as well. Make sure you apply your lip balm, your petroleum jelly, anything is fine, regularly. That helps in softening your lips and puts them supple. Once in a while you can scrub them too. Point number 9, build your skincare routine. Set a skincare routine, from start to end of the day. Remember to always use room temperature water to wash your face, and to have a night skincare regimen, as the skin regeneration rates are higher when a person falls asleep. Skin must be kept free of excess dirt, and it should also be free of surface level pollution and grime. So that it's much more susceptible to skincare products. Point number 10 is treating your acne. As teens, more of you are prone to develop acne flare. So when you do have acne, make sure you use sulfur-based cleansers, and make sure you use masks or any cream which has got benzoyl peroxide in it. This also helps in controlling your acne. And also look for labels which are non-comedogenic and which is specially meant for acne-prone skin. Do not hesitate from visiting a dermatologist. Most teenagers may not even need procedures, as most of the time topical creams are just good enough to resolve your acne issues. Even if a procedure is needed, I make sure that it's gentle on your skin, and it also helps in controlling your acne and as well as your pigmentation. If you do have skin diseases like eczema or hives or allergies, make sure you immediately consult a skin specialist and take the right kind of treatment and take suggestions from her so that she can prescribe a right kind of face wash, a right kind of moisturizer, and it always helps in putting your skin acne prone. If it is acne prone, it helps in treating your skin condition better. So, as teens, most of you suffer from acne. And when you do develop this acne, make sure you use sulfur-based cleansers and mask which has got sulfur or salicylic acid in it, and look for benzoyl peroxide-based products. Even that helps in controlling your acne. Also, look for labels which are non-comedogenic and which is specially for acne-prone skin. Do not hesitate to visit a dermatologist. If all of your DIYs are not working, most of the teenagers may not even require a procedure, and topical creams will be more than sufficient to resolve your acne issues. And if you do require a procedure, I especially make sure it's actually gentle on your skin. And if you are suffering from skin diseases like eczema, hives or allergies, you must immediately consult your skin expert to restore your skin health with effective treatments. If you have any questions, you can always call us for more information. The contact details will be on the screen and in the description box. If you find this video useful, please do like it, and if you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section, or you can always contact us to the numbers which are displaying on the screen. Thank you.